All right, hold on to your ears,
This is going to be embarrassing.
Not. What's wrong with my eyes? Holy crap.
There's your video right there.
Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are coming to you from, this is the Wonder Wagon. We're doing something a little bit different in the video today because we're taking this old 1995 Mercedes E320 all the way to Oklahoma City to catch up with another YouTuber. We're going to do some walk around videos together, which I know will make a lot of people happy. And then we're on the hunt for some parts for a car that I don't think you've even seen yet. Hopefully this old girl that's almost 30 years old, 229,102 miles, will make it to Oklahoma City, then to the salvage yard, and then all the way back to Tulsa, Oklahoma. So let's get started and see if she's got what it takes. That is a backbone to something. They got dragged in here and eaten. Please be dead. Please be dead. Please. Oh, I smashed his brain. Yeah, we got rain. Hunt for the second vehicle has taken us to... What are you going to say?
It's just too much for me to screw out.
What do you think about this car, Mike?
Mikey likes.
You like it?
Mikey likes.
I'm in the car.
We are now halfway to Oklahoma City, and you can see everything is fine. The brake light, I don't know if it's the left or right brake light, or because my center mount brake light is actually missing. That's why the light is illuminated there. But we've gone 53 maybe miles, and we're still kind of on full. I don't know what kind of gas mileage we're going to get. I'm going to say 22 maybe for this old girl. We'll see what happens. But other than that, she's doing good. Okay, most of my speakers are working. Remember, I purchased two at the pull-apart yard, and so they're kind of working. This one's kind of working. The one in the dash on the other side is not working. But this is a pretty nice place to be. The heat works. I've been adjusting this really well. The radio is a piece of crap. It keeps trying to go into demo mode. But my cigarette lighter still works, which is fine. And I don't hear a whole lot of squeaking. It's just there's that exhaust leak. I think it's around the exhaust manifold or maybe somewhere around the catalytic converter. But other than that, this is a nice place to be. The seat is comfortable. I can see. I have windows tinted so the sun's not getting in my eyes or anything. And we're just plugging on along. So we'll get to Oklahoma City and meet up with, you know who we're meeting up with. Yeah, some fella from AAR. Well, as you can see, we have made it to Insurance Auto Auctions here in Oklahoma City, and the car performed, well, perfectly. She did really, really well. Okay, no issues at all. The cruise control used to work, now it doesn't, which I don't know why, but that's not a major deal. But I'm really happy. I am happy, and I have all kinds of room for parts when we go to the pull-apart yard. So now we just got to find my friend. I don't know what he drove here today, so we'll do this, and I think we'll pick up the video when we're searching for parts, because the walk-around videos are going to be separate videos. All right, everybody? So we'll see you again soon. All right? Stay tuned. Okay, so I have caught up with my associate. We have completed all of our videos here. So now I think it's time for lunch.
Yes.
Do we have time for lunch?
Yes.
And then are you going to go with me to the junkyard to look for the other? Oh.
No.
Well,
I'll let you buy lunch.
Okay.
And then you could go to the junkyard and tell me how it went. Yeah, I'll go to the junkyard.
We could do that. Okay. You haven't even seen this old car that I drove down here, so.
No, I haven't.
Okay. Well, we'll check out the old car and, ooh.
Mike, Pan America.
Where?
Right in front of us.
Oh, I love me some Pan Americas.
That's a newer one.
This is a nice one here.
Oh, wow.
This is what we're talking about. And yes, I call them Pan America.
Well,
I don't know why.
Do too. That is what it is, right? That is it. Yeah. That's
Panamera.
Oh my God, that looks.
Oh, they made this so much nicer looking.
Wow.
Look at the taillights. That just changed everything.
You know what it looks like?
What?
It looks like a Porsche. Doesn't it?
More so, yeah.
I was joking. I was being facetious.
Oh, this one took a hard hit. Yeah, look at that. I still like the one that you bought, that white one.
Yeah, me too. I missed it.
That was so nice.
Do you remember when I ran it into my brick mailbox?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was good driving there.
That's 3 cars I've hit my mailbox with.
I've almost hit it backing out of your driveway too. I'm terrified of that. All right, well, we're going to go eat, and then we'll go to the junkyard, and that's when we'll pick up the video. Hopefully, we're crossing our fingers that the car we're visiting happens to be silver. Color code 744.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. All right. Well, we've made it to the pull apart. Randy's old stomping grounds.
Yeah,
This back in the day.
back in the day.
This is cool.
Haven't been here in years. I mean years, and just ran into one of my old friends from back in the day.
Back in the day.
Yeah. How crazy. I mean, what are the chances of that, you know?
The reach of YouTube and
Yeah.
life
yeah.
experiences and everything. This is the car we came to see. It is not silver, unfortunately. Oh my gosh.
I think it needs brakes, Mike.
Holy crap.
There's your video right there.
That's it. This, believe it or not, is an ML55. So this was the world's fastest SUV back in the day. But it's the wrong color, and we can't figure out how to get the thing off of the back. So I need this piece right here. And the glue they're using
Oh,
is unbelievable.
yeah.
It's like this stuff.
It's like tire tread or something. I mean, it is.
Okay, so this was a fail. And then I was looking for a radio for the car that I drove down here. They had two from 96 and the radios were already gone. So we struck out, and now we have to go jump start or push start somebody's car.
Yeah, I think a starter bolt might have Bluetoothed itself from my Fox body. The starter sounded really bad when I tried it. Yeah.
There's always something wrong with
Old cars.
old cars.
Yeah.
So, all right. Well, we'll add that to the video too. We'll see if we can get you
well,
on down the road.
You can film me trying to start it. Let's see.
Yeah, and me try to push it. Oh, that's going to be fun. I just thought.
Yeah, that's.
Oh God. Okay.
It's not going to be fun. I can't tell you how many cars I had to push start out of this lot. I had to do it by myself.
That was 10, 15 years
That's
ago.
true.
Yeah.
I was much younger back
You
then.
were younger. So we're making lemonade. We just decided.
You think it'll start?
I don't know, because the sound you made when you tried before, that was
It
horrendous.
sounded like the starter was binding up with
Yeah.
the flywheel. And I
Yeah.
heard on the way here, it sounded like when I went around a corner, something metal fell out from under the car. And I heard something rubbing against the flywheel. You could hear it at as the RPMs are going, you could hear the metal kind of,
Yeah.
yeah. So
You don't want to just try it, or you want to look at it?
I'm going to try it. The car sits a
Okay.
little low. It's going to be hard to get under
Oh.
there.
No, I mean from the top. I'm see if it was something else.
Well, yeah, we could
I'm
try
going to stand back here.
We could try looking at it from the top real quick. I guess that wouldn't hurt anything.
This is a good-looking car.
Oh, yes, it's a...
I couldn't even hear mine start when you were parked in front of me. Is mine even on? I couldn't even tell.
The exhaust on this thing, I don't think it has any,
Cool lights.
I think the exhaust is like straight pipes or something, because it is really loud. The starter, I believe,
Wow.
would be hidden under the
Yeah.
header back there.
You can kind of see back under there, but wow.
I got a bad
This is
feeling about
big.
this. I do.
This is huge.
Yeah, nice cold air intake that runs.
And this is just like what was in the Cougar that we
Yeah.
saw earlier.
Yeah, they use this in everything.
Okay.
Pickup trucks,
Yeah.
Cougars, Mustangs, Thunderbirds. Like this engine was, and you notice I've got two different color spark plug wires.
Yeah.
These are header wires, and these are too long.
Oh,
So I
okay.
had to tuck them, but I've got a custom set coming that I can make myself. But these have the 90-degree elbows.
Ooh,
The
yeah.
old ones came straight out and they melted, and I had leaks you had spark just bouncing across all of the headers.
Yeah.
So this is my temporary fix until my new
Till you
wires
get
come
there.
in.
It sounds good though.
If it starts,
Okay. Well, all right. Hold on to your ears,
This is going to
folks.
be embarrassing.
We've been embarrassed before.
This is true. Many times.
She started. Does this? I can hear something.
You hear the metal?
Yeah.
It sounds like
Yeah. That's bad. Yeah.
oh, I'm out
Oh,
of
I'm
power.
hearing something from up here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't hear anything back there.
No. I've got a
Okay.
power steering leak, I guess, because I'm low.
Oh.
No, I'm not gonna mess with it. It started.
Okay.
I will not turn it off until I get home.
Do I need to follow you, or are you good?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
And I'm hopeful that maybe a bolt was just loose and backed out, and not that something is stripped and somebody
Yeah.
tried to screw me.
Well, good luck with that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Sorry we couldn't find your bumper.
No, we couldn't find the bumper, but that's okay.
I
That's
like not
life.
having the vest on. Isn't it nice to
It's-
not have that vest?
It's so freeing.
Yeah.
Although I did wear mine to the restaurant. He bought lunch and I wore mine into the restaurant, as I usually do. All right, guys, thank you for watching, and thanks for this guy to let me tag along and do kind of videos and see his cool cars and go hunting for parts with me.
Oh, you need to come down
Yeah.
to Byers sometime.
I do.
You need to take that 3-hour tour.
There it is.
Yeah, 3-hour tour.
Because you've got a whole new bunch of cars. I haven't even seen them
You could do a whole Copart walk around in my yard.
in your yard.
You could test drive everyone. You'd have an hour-long video, Mike, and it's free.
Would anybody watch?
You're welcome to come.
They would. All right. I'll come down there and help you work on one.
Okay,
We'll do that.
perfect.
All right.
We'll start with this one.
Okay, we will. Let me grab this.
I thought you were going to shake my hand, Mike.
And now I'm going to shake your
All
hand.
right,
There you go.
yes.
Thank you, sir. Now jump in the car and you're the parting shot. You get to drive off. Here he goes. Well, believe it or not, we made it back to Tulsa. Absolutely. This little car has done nothing but impress me. She has done so well, no problems, no surprises, no nothing, and I am in love with it. So we are here at a gas station. To end the video, we're going to figure out what kind of gas mileage we got. I have about a half a tank of gas, and I've gone, it looks like 221 miles. Okay, so let's kind of figure out our MPG, and then we will say ta-ta for this video. All right, check out those gas prices. Yeah, guess who did that? No, I'm totally kidding. Okay, so we will process this. We're going to skip it. We're removing the chip card. We are selecting this and this, because only the good stuff for baby girl. And I got to figure out how I can do this and hold the camera. So hold on, we'll be right back. Hold on, don't look. Oh shoot, it's locked. Dadgummit. Yes, it is. It's locked. Hold on. There's a problem with the vacuum system. When I lock the doors, only this side of the doors lock. And the other side does not. So these will lock. This locks. This locks. But on the left side, neither door locks. So I have a vacuum leak somewhere. Let's see how much gas we're holding. Remember, I think it's 222 miles. I was predicting what? 22 miles to the gallon? So if I get 10 gallons of gas, I was exactly right. Let's see what she's gonna hold. Here we go. But I gotta tell you, I am so happy with this little car. Back it up, back it up. There it is. Because she's done so well. Ah! Other than the exhaust leak, ooh, she only held 6.2 gallons. Let's see if we can get to a different number. Oh, she's going to 6.7. She just cut off early. 8 gallons. Oh, okay, that's good. Let's just kind of get up here to where it almost comes out. That's where I filled her up. I'll go to 8.4. There it is, 8.4 gallons. This is going to be my very scientific study. We'll put this back on. We'll do some of the maths, and we'll be back with a number for you. But here we go. 8.4 gallons on, I think, 222 miles. And guess what? She did way better than 22 miles to the gallon. So I have 221 miles divided by, right there, 8.4 gallons is 26.3 miles to the gallon for a car that is almost 30 years old and sat for who knows how long and cost me $125 at auction plus auction fees. Not, what's wrong with my eyes? What's going on here? Anyway, not bad at all, okay? Huge thanks to Randy once again for playing a part of the video, letting me tag along. We have those walk around videos coming out very, very soon, so please watch for those. Please give me a thumbs up. Please give me a subscription, and we will be back with another video very, very soon. But say congratulations to this little girl because she made it 221 miles plus probably 2 more to get home, and she did it in style. All right, have a great day, everybody. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.